Welcome to my presentation of ICT 2 Assignment 2, an adaptation of the movie app. So I'm just going to start by running through how the app works and is laid out. So this is my homepage, which I am calling the Discovery API from TMDB. So then I can go in here to more info, and this gives me a list. This gives me an overview of the movie. I have also added a list of the cast that is present in this movie. I have the option to leave a review. I have color coordinated up there. So these are reviews someone else has left, but you can click in and the review is there. I have TV series, and I can press more on this and see more about it. And this also has a list of cast that had been added using extensive hyperlinking there. So if I go back to home here, if I press these little love hearts for favoriting these particular movies, if I go to favorites, it comes up with a protected page, and this was basic authentication that I put in place. I have protected the favorites, and I've also protected my watch list. So if I click submit here, I should be logged in. So that will just bring me there. So my favorites should have all four that I just favorited there 2 seconds ago. So that is there. I have top rated, and on top rated, I have decided to create I'm calling it my fantasy button. It isn't probably what my fantasy is supposed to be, but I just added this extra feature. So if I press here and here, and I go down to my fantasy, it has been added. Then I have used the upcoming movies API, similar movies API, my watch list. Now, if I go back to similar movies and add these with icons coming up to my watch list, they should come up there now in 2 seconds. So that gets added there. I have the option to delete as well. If I can click on it, and then they're gone. I also have the option to delete my fantasies as well, just to show. If I can scroll. If I can scroll down here, the option to delete them as well. And the same with favorites. I can delete this one as well, just to show the deleting functionality. So now I have now playing movies, which has the option to add to watch list, and then there's more information. Popular movies. I added that from the popular movies API as well. I also added some filtering. So if I click in here, I created this sidebar here, but you have to be on either a movie, an actor, or a TV page to search in these particular fields. Otherwise it breaks. That is a bug I need to fix. But we're currently on a movie page, so if I do anything, if I search anything, it'll filter. So that's 2 that'll come up for movies. If I go to the actors page here, and I want to filter actor, I'm just going to put in Tom, and all the Toms will come up, or anyone with Tom in their name. With TV series, I can filter TV series like this as well. So I only have the capability to, I think I only have the capability to search movies. No, I have the capability to search the genre in TV series. I forgot I did that. And home, I have also able to, in the movies, I'm able to search for different genres as well. Comedy is always good. So they have shown up there. So I set this back to all because I think these two will clash. I also had the option to search for original languages that these films were in, and I realized that after making this drop down that the movies are pretty much all in English or Japanese. So this has narrowed it down to 2 Japanese films there, just to show that it is working. And I'm going to put that back to all, just in case it causes any problems. I also have created the sorting option for just alphabetize. It's all I had time to do. So that is functionality, I think, of my app. Am I forgetting anything? I have added the option to, sorry, I have the option to, yeah, add reviews onto that as well. Yeah, so I decided on this color theme because I had because of the dev tool image, I decided to create something that would blend nicely with it. I'm going to move on to Storybook now. I think I have opened it previously. Hopefully it's still running. Well, it's not running, but hopefully it'll display for me. So this is an actor card, actor details, actor header, actor lists. I have a filter movie card. That's the one I created, I just showed you. I have this movie card, default movie details, movie header, movie lists, movie page header, and TV show details and TV header. These are all the stories that I added to my project. I used, I think, about 24 API calls. I have approximately 36 components, and I have created, I think, about 20 pages. I tried to do Firebase. Again, I'm limited on time to get that fully functioning. I created my own nav bar, which I'm really annoyed that I couldn't actually fix. I would like to fix that in the future. I found this project highly enjoyable. I wish I had more time to fully complete the assignment, but unfortunately I've run out of time. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions on my code or anything like that, please feel free to ask. Thank you.